Welcome you all. And I think the first question all of you would be having that where is the Honorable Minister, Shri Kapil Sibal. We just received a message from his office that today being a first working day of the Parliament session, Prime Minister had to call in for a meeting in the morning. And so he had to go there in the early morning meeting. And we have been told by his office that he would be coming to the event over today or tomorrow, any time as it fits in between his schedule in the Parliament. So we are also waiting for his confirmation, and I apologize to all of you. And we welcome you all. Yesterday was the day zero of the event. We had exciting sessions all around the day. And today we have a very exciting inaugural panel of the event, E-World Forum. And many of you are here first time coming to India. We have a great team visiting us from various countries here. And I know that many of you are arriving still in the hall because of yesterday late night dinners at the event. So a brief about what we are and what we do and the origins of E-World Forum. The governance, healthcare and education are the three prominent areas which can be radically transformed by ICTs. And our organization, CSDMS and ILETS, took the initiative to engage these communities of practice through print, online, media and conferences to build up a network of communities of practitioners inside India and outside. eGov magazine is our flagship publication which has completed 75 issues recently, and it is the first and the only medium of this kind in whole Asia and in the whole developing world across Middle East and Africa. Our eGov online portals, same with eHealth, our print magazine which has completed around 56 issues in our 5 years, and our eHealth portal, and same thing with our portal on ICT in education, which is called Digital Learning, the magazine, which is a very important dimension of ICT in education across schools, higher education and skills, and our portal. And we have been looking at building communities across education, governance and health through our events like World Education Summit, which was a mega event. Our E-India events, which are the largest ICT event across Asia now, and our E-Asia forums, which have traveled through Bangkok, Putrajaya, Kuala Lumpur, Colombo, and this year in Dhaka. So our agenda was building up a platform like E-World was to build up a forum where we have a global dialogue on ICT and e-governance cooperation among stakeholders. And the objective was to explore the diverse opportunities to integrate ICTs in various spheres of life. And salient features are sessions and workshops, awards and exhibition. Today evening we have the award function where we will have the prominent ICT champions from all across India will be here, and awards will be given away by Shri Sindhia, the Honorable Minister of Commerce. And our participants at this event include from over 2 dozen countries, from Philippines, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Bahrain, Sudan, Bangladesh, Somalia, Vietnam, Nepal, Egypt, Afghanistan, Moldova, Kazakhstan, and many more, which you will explore over the next few days. And our co-organizers of this event are Department of IT, the Department of Telecom, Department of Science and Technology, IGNOU and Aadhaar. And our supporting partners are Commonwealth Secretariat, Copenhagen Business School, Commonwealth Telecom Organization, GDCO Sudan, Euro India Spirit, HL7, OSPI, ICTA in Sri Lanka, MATE, and the E-Development Group of the World Bank. And many sponsors from the private sector, including our gold sponsors, NIIT and STPI, and associate sponsor HP, Red Hat, SCS, and infrastructure in BMC, and many other companies. So with this brief intro, I welcome you all to eWorld 2011. Thank you, sir.